and everybody on it. Thanks for generous support on the last video. It's not normally one I ever post, but it helped the guy. He got his deposit back now. I haven't had any backlash from the dealer, so I guess I'm just gonna leave the video up and leave it there. I ain't even worried. Good amount of views on it. That's for sure. I didn't think it was gonna get there. At the time of this, there's like, I think it's like 327 views or something like that. But thank you. Last night's car meet was a success. It was fun. A lot of awesome cars came out. I want to say shout out to Herb the Nerd. I like your car. Thanks for coming out, man. Checking out the meet. If y'all haven't, man, I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave his YouTube channel handle in the description. It'll be in there. Check his channel out. He's got a pretty awesome V2 that's pretty gnarly. I don't want to say exactly what all's done to it from what he told me last night. I don't know what's on his channel about what's done and what's not, so I'm going to give him that respect. Now, if we get into today's video, let's, what I really want to talk about, sorry, it's like bright and stuff. See, it's bright outside. I want to get into today's topic being the C8. Well, what do y'all think about it? Leave a comment below. Comment a lot more. Y'all comment, dude? I'll comment right back. We'll have conversations. Be interesting. My views on the C8, I'm going to put it out this way. We're not even a big channel. But still, I'm going to go in Tuesday or Wednesday to a dealer and talk to them. There's no pricing yet. Allocations, I believe one source said allocations had started yesterday. Some sources saying allocations haven't started yet. But I'm going to go in there soon, sometime this week, and see what I can figure out. See what I can find out about it. And maybe we'll talk to them about possibly getting one for the channel. If y'all want to see something like that, y'all want to see more content like that, let me know. Comment down below. And as always, if you're liking what you're seeing, we have a great video coming up. I've got a few other people that work with me for shifting gears. I know I'm a face a lot on here, but there's other people too. We're all about to bring the spotlight in together with different style videos, automotive content, everything like that. So it's going to get even better for this channel. A lot of different content, funny content, strange content, pranks, whatever it might be. We're going to bring this channel fun. I also want to state, any other YouTubers in the DFW area that are in automotive, whether it's Novice Garage, Herb the Nerd, there's a few others out there. Even shout out to Bullet WS6 down in Houston, man. Bullet holds, anytime I message him on Instagram, he messages me back. It's pretty cool. Demonology, pretty sure if I could still send him a message these days, he'd message back too. Sorry, buddy, I've been busy, hadn't got to make it out to the track to come see you every time you're around. Speaking of people, there's David Van Voorst just uploaded a new video about a Mustang again. David's doing good at that turbo Mustang. I give it to him on that. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Back on topic now. My views on the C8. Look at that gray hair. My views on the C8. I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, I'm going to go to the dealer and see what I can figure out. See if I can get one. I think it'd be very awesome for this channel. my my likes and my dislikes, man, I'm about 90% like on it and about 10% dislike. The only thing throwing me off about this car, really, truly, and honestly, is in the cockpit. So the passenger really has no way of getting to a radio, and nobody lie here. You know you passengers play with the radio too. Now I can see if it's set to the phone, playing what Spotify or whatever other music app is on the phone, then yeah, I mean you can do that. But flipping through your regular local channels, it's gonna be kind of hard for the passenger. And then all the buttons down the side between the passenger and the driver is just Chevy. What were you thinking with that? Like you could have put that somewhere else. Man, that's bad. See, check it out right here. Other than that, I mean, I like it. Next discussion on it though. Let's see. Z51 package is great. I think a base price, starting right at or a little under 60 grand, is not bad for a base car. That is a base car. Now that's not adding any packages. That's just base. So Z51 package. Let's get real here. It's going to be a little bit more. There is no pricing yet at the time of this video being made. Other variants coming. I think hardtop convertible is cool. I believe that's what the convertible is. I haven't seen anything about a soft top. 495 horsepower out of the box with performance exhaust and a performance intake from Chevy. That's a deal. The front lift system for an American car, that's good. Moving the Vet to a supercar platform level is great, especially the price point still being with a base under 60 grand. Oh man, was it 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds? You're not gonna get that anywhere else for that price. Come on, man, not in that range. You're not gonna get that with Lamborghini. You're not gonna get that with Ferrari. You're not getting that with the NSX. Not getting that with Pagani. You know, and so on and so forth. Z06. Let's talk about that. There hasn't been. There's mention of a Z06 coming. Nobody knows exactly what's going in it. My understanding from the research that I was doing and found, LT7. Okay. I believe it's going to be the same engine as what Cadillac's Blackwing is. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a 4.2 liter twin turbo V8 and it's dual overhead cam. So, don't get me wrong, all-wheel drive would be awesome. But I just don't think all-wheel drive is going to happen. A ZR1 package, that might be an all-wheel drive. But then again, I still don't think that's going to happen. I think the ZR1 variant, if it comes, is still going to be a push rod, just like the 6.2 that is in it. But I believe it's probably going to go supercharger. That seems like it's kind of been the ZR1 thing from, what, 2010 or 9 or whatever on. It'd be cool to go back to overhead cam, just like the C4. That'd be awesome. That's my views on it. That's what I feel. Um, it's kind of a Saturday vlog, kind of a two take kind of thing because I paused so you could see pictures. I'm doing this one on my phone. My buddy's got my camcorder. It's got video footage from last night's meet on it. If you're not familiar, in the DFW area in Arlington, we hold a meet every Friday night at K1 Speed off of Lamar, right across the street from Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. So come on out, man. Come do some videos. Don't be camera shy. We go out and have some fun. Really can't wait for this C8. I think it's gonna be awesome. And for everybody on late model that keeps comparing apples to oranges, stop. Woohoo! Ford's got a GT500 coming out. You do not compare a GT500 to a Corvette. If you're going to compare something that's comparable with each other, you compare the Vet to the Ford GT. Both of them are 3-second 0-60 cars. Or even, disclaimer, 2020 Vet is supposed to be under 3 seconds. But, I mean, even a few milliseconds, it's right there with it. It would be a good matchup, good comparison. Oh, speaking of, also with the Vet, the C8R. Man, I tell you what, I cannot wait. The sound clips of that car have me wondering exactly what's going to be in it. I believe, was it Pratt and Whitney or Miller or whoever it was, whoever designs did the C6 and the C7R engines for Le Mans and stuff. I believe you're putting a flat pine crank in that. That's what it sounds like. Anyway, I gotta head out of here. I'm gonna spend some time with my family. Click subscription button. Click the bell. Stay up to date with all notifications, everything. Like this video. Check out past videos. We're getting things rolling out and click in everything else, man. So stay tuned. See you on the next one.